Alright everyone, Aaron behind the camera here. Tonight, well tonight, whatever, I'm going to show you what I'm doing to a Vauxhall Astra cylinder head. I'm going to show you taking the cams out, well one of the cams and the lifters. So I'll show you what's going to happen. So let's crack on and I'll show you what we're going to do. Here we go. So what we do is we just lift it. Well, if that don't work, get a flathead screwdriver and try and lift it. There we go, like that. Just get that side, pull it out. That's come off, but hey ho. There's the rocker arms there, and the oil seal that can go there. There's all the like your lifters and all that there. And if we just, there's one. That's one. Hang on. That'd drop down there, wouldn't it? Oh. Can't get that out. Hang on, let me try this other hand. There's two. I've got two out. These are like your lifters, and you got your valves. You got your valves in there. And then it's what you do. Let me take another one off. If I can get another one off. Can't get that one out. That one's out. Can't seem to get that one out. Try. That don't work, does it? So anyway, we've got them ones out. There we go, got it out. That's that one. That one. They're fiddly. But anyway, you get the idea. You get the idea of what it comes out like. Now, all you do to replace them is you've got a bit of oil on them, bit of oil. You just basically push them in like this. That's all you do. Just push them in like that. Then this one, that one, and then that one. Yeah, and then that one. Then you get your cam, wherever it is. Put your stupid pissing thing on the end, your oil seal. Bastard thing that's annoying. Then is what you do is you have to get it in that end. You have to try, drop it in, and then just to align it, and then there you go. That's your cams. Now you get your rocker arms, and then you just basically put that on there like that. Yeah, then you get that on there. That's that rocker arm, and then you get this one on there. Then you get this one, whoops, on there, and then you get this one. This is the biggest one out of them all. This is the tighter one. You put that in there, and then you get this, and you basically just tighten them down like this, like that. Obviously, this is a 1.6. This is a 1.6 1600 Vauxhall Astra cylinder head. As you can see there, I've got the cam belt pulley off. Just let me. I'll give up with that already. Let me just tighten these down by hand. Don't know whether it's going to knock or what. But, whoops, that one's broke. Never mind. I know it broke. And here's what you do is you just tighten down. That's still squirting out oil. And then you just get them like that, like that. Then this one, I can't see, that's it. You just get them and tighten them all down like this. I felt that bit of oil go up my finger. Like that. Then this one, oops-a-daisy, like that. All these rocker arms that I'm putting back on, they're new. Well, not new, but they come up like new. So, and then obviously you've got to torque them all down to their specific. Let me go back to me. And then you've got to torque them all down to their specific torque setting. So if I get this, hang on, put this on there. And if I get this, and I'll show you. So if I was to go that one, that end, this end, like that. And then you torque them down. You're supposed to do it with a proper wrench, but I ain't got one. And then you've got this on here, like this. I'll just torque them all down like this, just for the video, and then I'll do it. And I'll do it properly when I put it back on the car, or when I assemble the engine back together, if I get round to it. There and again, I might just keep this cylinder head. Yeah. So they're all torqued down. Let's say they're torqued down. I'm going to show you the head gasket. Head gasket. It's completely blown. It's completely gone. As you can see, it's split into two. Pulled the head off, and before I even pulled the head off, I knew it had split into two.